In 1610, a gentleman named George Napper, who was educated at Corpus Christi College in Oxford, was hanged, drawn, and quartered. His crime was being a Catholic priest. He might well have got away with it and been released by the court had he not taken the trouble, whilst in Oxford jail, to convert a Protestant prisoner to Catholicism, and on top of that he refused to swear to be true to the Protestant faith. Well, as I say, he was hanged, drawn, and quartered. His head was impaled onto either the top of Tom Tower or onto the steeple of the cathedral at Christchurch, no one knows quite which, but either way, his four quarters were then placed onto the gates leading into the city. His spirit is then said to have gathered up his four quarters, and now, in the dead of night, listen very quietly, and you may well hear the ghost of George Napper as he gallops for all eternity on his ghostly steed through the streets of Oxford in a never-ending quest for his head.